guys, luto tayo ngayon ng salmon guys. So, lagyan natin ng asin. Ayan. So, ayan guys, nilagyan na natin ng seasoning guys. So, whatever makes you happy, i-add nyo na. Okay? Lagay nyo na. So, tapos, lutuin na natin mamaya. So guys, lutuin na natin guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. Salmon with zucchini. So, namarinate na natin yan guys. Yummy. Balik ka rin natin ulit. So, ayan na guys. Binaliktad na natin guys. Kinuha na natin yung zucchini guys. Kasi luto na. So, tingnan nyo guys. Yummy, yummy. So guys, ayan. Luto na yung salmon natin guys. So, thank you for watching guys. Ayan na guys. Ang sarap. So, thank you for watching guys. Like and subscribe.